If you invest in stocks and you want to make the most money possible, I got an amazing website that can help you make even more money. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free stocks, some free crypto, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And don't forget to check out Webull. If you use that link, you can get over $30,000 worth of free stocks. Obviously, you'll get some free stocks for just signing up and creating an account. Then you'll get even more stocks after you make a $10, $20 deposit. So what you waiting for? Get your free stocks. And now let's jump straight into the video. Have you ever wondered how these politicians, these senators that make $100,000 a year end up with $20 million, $30 million stock portfolios? Answer is simple. They get insider information. They get information that we don't know about. When there's a new law, new legislation being passed, they already know if it will get approved or not. So they make moves based on the information that they have that no one else has. They are definitely guilty of insider trading. And if you ask them, this is the answer that you will receive.
No, absolutely not. Okay, thank you.
So wouldn't you agree that if you had the same information, you'll be able to make a lot more money? Unfortunately, I cannot give you the information before it happens. I'm not a politician. But I can share with you an amazing website that pretty much tracks all the senators, all the House of Representatives, pretty much all the politicians that trade stocks. And I'll be able to show you exactly what stocks they are buying, what stocks they are selling, and the amounts in everything. And you can use this information to determine what stocks you want to buy and what stocks you want to sell. That way you can make even more money. All right, the website is called quiverquant.com. And when you go to it, it will look something like this. We're going to scroll down. And right here, you'll be able to pick who you want to copy. They have senators, House of Representatives, government contractors, corporate lobbying, and literally a ton of different options that you can go over, check everything out, whale moves, all kind of stuff. But for this example, we're simply going to click on Senate Trading. Then right here, you are able to see all the different senators. It doesn't matter if they're Republican or Democrat. They are all crooked. They are all using insider information to make even more money. So for example, Ted Cruz. You can click on him. You can click on any other senator and you'll be able to see their performance. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see even more information. For example, all the ticker symbols of the stocks, the dates of purchase, who bought them, how much they bought or sold, all of that important information. You can also filter by stock. So if you have a stock that you are interested in, you can check it out, see what other senators are buying. And then you can also see what companies are spending the most money lobbying these politicians. For example, Boeing, RTX, Lockheed Martin. I knew these were the top three simply because we spend billions and billions on war and weapons. So these three are like literally always in the top. But AT&T, that was a surprise. Honeywell, Microsoft, and so on. Also, for all my cryptocurrency investors, they have some stuff for you as well. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the ranking of different coins. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink, Luna, and these are the mentions. The more mentions a coin have, the better chance of it succeeding. So there's literally a ton of things that you can track on this website, and I highly recommend you guys check it out. I'm not telling you go out there and spend all your money and copy everything that these politicians are doing. All I'm saying is use this information, use these tools to make the right decision that can make you the most money. So we have to use all the tools available in order to level the playing field. Because right now, all of us retail investors, we are at the very, very bottom of this game. Politicians, they have insider information. They can make moves that are pretty much guaranteed to make them money. Also, all the big institutions such as BlackRock, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, they have an edge as well. They can use AI bots, they can manipulate the news, they can manipulate individual stocks, they can pretty much manipulate the market however they want in order to make the most money. But us, retail investors, we're at the very bottom. We literally have to trade better than the government, better than these institutions, pretty much trade with the least amount of information and tools possible and still be able to make money. So all I'm telling you guys, put to use all the tools that you have and make the most money as you possibly can. If you want me to share more tools like this one, let me know in the comment section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free stocks, and see you in the next video. Peace out.